How to log out of your account on Cronometer Gold. First, you want to open your Cronometer application, and inside the app, if you don't have an account, you want to simply tap on sign up to create your new account. However, if you already have an account, tap on log in, type it out your email and password over here. And if you're already logged in into your account, you want to simply tap on this more option and you'll be able to see this menu over here. Tap on account and you'll be able to see an log out option as well. Simply tap on log out, and by doing so you have successfully logged out of your account on Cronometer Gold. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe.